Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some stuffed rigatoni, which is a tube-shaped pasta, and for that we need to start with cutting down some dill. The ingredients for this recipe are a little bit of dill, a little bit of yogurt, not the sweet one of course, 1 cucumber and cheese, and rigatoni of course. For the beginning, all that we did and are going to do is cutting down the dills, adding that into the yogurt, and going on with cutting down the cucumber as well. Go on and make some slices, and then chop it down into more smaller pieces, and then we are going to add that into the whole mixture that we have. Cut it down like as you see in the video, and whenever you are ready and the whole cucumber is done, add it to the mixture. Here it is, nearly ready. Add it to the mixture. The next thing we are going to do is adding the cheese, to the grated cheese to the mixture. Let me say that you can use any type of cheese here. So mix it properly, mix all of the ingredients together. And all we need to do now is take a plastic bag so that to make the whole process easier. Cut that, and we are going to fill up the rigatonis, the pasta, with this mixture. Fill all of those pasta rigatonis with the mixture. Let me remind you that those ones are already boiled from 20 minutes to 25 minutes with some salt. So whenever done, cover it out with some cheddar cheese and put it into the oven to be cooked for some 20 minutes until the cheese is melted, and you will see that it's already ready to be tasted. Add some dill onto the top of that as well, and it will be nearly ready to be tasted. Cut it down and ready to be served. Good appetite!